Okay, so we're here. We're trying to get Star Wars to play on a button. So what we've done is we've set up an Arduino script, okay, that we're trying to be able to download tomorrow. So what you're going to do is you're going to use the notes from Star Wars. You're going to define a button pin and a button state. You're going to include the Star Wars notes. You're going to include the MIDI commands for on, off, and velocity. You're going to have a message that says, this is the send MIDI message. This is the thing that's going to go to our, it's going to go to contact, okay? Sends commands out to that, okay? Actually to hairless, and that's going to do the translating for you. Okay, and then what we have is we're going to have a routine called Play Star Wars, okay? And this is just the code from our Arduino, okay? This is the thing. You already have a thing called Play Star Wars, so I'm going to copy all this, okay, and put it in here, and we'll look at it, so we don't forget what it does. But what it does is it does a loop for all the 19 notes up here, and what it does is it figures out a note duration, which you've already figured out, okay. Um, it it turns on, it uses MIDI message, which is this routine up here, to send a note, okay? Send a note on command, which is like 124 or 144, okay? And then it sends the note it needs and the velocity, which is 100. We figured out a delay based on the timing, okay? That's the thing. That's what's going on up here. And then we just say note off, okay? And this is going to play Star Wars, okay? So if we call it up, it'll do this on the button, okay? And there it is. Okay, I think the only thing we else need to get this to really work is to set up a serial begin statement. So we get serial working, communication between the Arduino and the laptop, okay? And that actually comes from here where we, I'm looking, where we say this, okay? We say serial begin, and then we say, okay, I want to get the baud rate right. This is the baud rate. Amount of bits that are getting transferred. There we go, 38,400. Okay, and that's it. Okay, so basically, let's see if it'll upload and run for us. Okay, oops. Okay, I got this problem. But what we want to do is, I guess maybe the server's down or something like that. But if you get this code done, okay, so basically show me this code works here, okay, and show me your wiring for the button, okay. And so then what we'll do is when we play this, we'll be able to play Star Wars. We'll go boop and play Star Wars, okay, through the MIDI, okay, and that's good. Thanks.